Welcome to Linux for You YouTube channel. My name is Sushil Sharma, and today's topic is system D targets. So it is a full practical lab. Suppose in the RHCS exam you are asked that your system is set to multi-user mode after rebooting, and after that you have to go to rescue mode without rebooting. So how you can do this under 5 minutes? So this kind of the RHCS exam task you will cover within few minutes, right? So let's go to the Red Hat 10 and now starting our lab. So before starting, I'm telling you that our lab is basically focused on the students for passing the RSC exam. So please, we are helping students. So subscribe our channel and like my videos, right? So first, I want to see that which target I have right now. So let's see which system the target I am having. So sudo systemctl get hyphen default. So this is the one method I am running a desktop. So desktop method means graphical target. It is run level. So old command is run level. So you are running run level 5. Right? Suppose in the RS6 exam you are it should be multi-user mode, right? After the rebooting. So you want to change the mode. You want to change the system the target. So how you can do that? So you have to run the command sudo systemctl set hyphen default, and what you want to change you can change. So this way you can go to the text mode, means multi-user target mode, where desktop will not be there, only the terminal will be there, and that is the default mode for most of the production servers of Red Hat machines. So it is also called text mode, right? So now you have changed the mode permanently. So when you use this command, you are changing the mode permanently. Right? Suppose you want that which mode you have changed. Now you can see by the another command sudo ls -l and /etc system3 /system /default dot target. Just one spelling mistake. It is sudo. So can you see? Just you change this target. So this way you can also check that which target is the current target, right? There are two methods I'm telling you. First, you can run the command what is the current target, that is get default, right? And the another command I have given you, this one sudo ls -l. Or you want to see that how many targets are available. You want to see how many targets are available in the system. So the command is sudo systemctl list unit files, right? Hyphen type is equal to target. So this command will tell you how many targets are available right now. It will show you all of the target, right? And if you want to set, here you can set. Here you can see the all targets are there, right? After that, suppose we are asked that please change the mode to rescue. You want to go to the rescue target, but without reboot, right? So how you can go to immediately rescue mode? So now you have to run the command isolate. So this command is switching a run level, switching a target, not permanently, temporarily, right? Suppose I want to go to rescue target immediately, or I want to go to the emergency target immediately. So if you want to go to the emergency mode or rescue mode, you can do that. So it is not a permanently changing. It is changing for current session only. So isolate command will not change permanently. Set default command will change the target permanently. Right? After that, now we can see that what is the old run level and what is the meaning of systemd target. So in old Linux we are using run level. Now we are using systemd targets that are more advanced, and modern Linux is using the systemd target. So if you want to comparison the old target and the modern. So here you can see the old run level 0 is equal to power of target, 1 equal to rescue, 3 equal to multi-user, run level 5 is equal to graphical, and run level 6 is equal to reboot.target. So these are the old run level and they are corresponding system.target, right? Suppose your manager is requesting you to go to maintenance mode immediately. So can you do this? Yes, you can do this. So how you can go immediately to the rescue mode or a maintenance mode, right? So the command is isolate rescue.target. So this will switch immediately to the rescue mode, maintenance mode, where you can done some maintenance of the system, right? So this is the how you are changing the targets according to the RHCSA exam, right? So that is necessary. These things are necessary to practice. Most of the scholars are practicing systemctl, but they are not practicing well systemd target. So that's the important topic for RHCSA exam, that you will practice all these commands very well, right? So what I told you, that set default is setting the targets permanently, and isolate command sets the target temporarily, right? After that, the next target is suppose we want to see that we want to see all services required by a target. So suppose I want to see graphical.target have how many dependencies. So sudo systemctl list hyphen dependencies, and the target name is graphical.target. So it will show you the all the dependency of graphical.target. So here you can see. So next is suppose you are in rescue mode and you want to go to the default mode that is permanently set. So you should run the command sudo systemctl default. So if you are switching to the rescue mode and you want to go back to the graphical mode, that is the permanent mode, so it will switch from rescue to the graphical mode. So this command you can use, right? So there are multiple targets available, and in the RHCSA exam the default target is multi-user mode, yani ki multi-user target, right? So you have to remember that. So this is the practice you have to do. Basically most of the commands are very simple, right? So uh, this is the systemd target where you can go and run many different targets, right? So these kinds of the RHCSA task you have to complete most of the time. Like a server is going to boot into the multi-user target or the graphical target, and now you want to switch to the rescue mode without rebooting, right? So these are the targets you may need to study well. So if you are liking my video, please subscribe my channel and like my video, and because so that you can not miss my next video, right? So stay tuned, and every day I am uploading the RHCSA exam task 1 video, and thank you for watching.